Hello everyone and welcome back for the computer session once again. So dear students, in previous class we have learned lesson number 2. In lesson number 2 we learn about Photoshop CS6, how to edit the photos and images. So this session we are going to begin lesson number 3, that is advanced tools and some more information about the Photoshop. So let's begin the session. In previous tool, we have learned the basic tool like pen, pencil, and all. So this session, we are going to learn few more things, and those things are images retouching, then working with layers, and applying filters. In image retouching, we will learn how we can uh, change the images, means how we can remove some unwanted parts from the image or scratches, or we how to repair, in short, how to repair those images which is not in proper condition. So with the help of few tools we can repair the images, as well as working with layers. If you want multiple layers in your editing, so you can utilize those layers, how to manage, how to add the layers, how to delete the layers, how to rearrange the layer, that we are going to cover. And applying filters, there are some filters with that you can give a good look to your photos. So how to do that, let's understand by practical. So here I'm going to begin a Photoshop. So Photoshop is already here. Now first we will retouching the tools. We will learn the retouching tools, which are like healing tool and patch tool. Okay, both are used for the repairing purpose, but the work of both, or the purpose of both, is little different. We can understand by doing practical work. So here I'm going to open one image. Okay, so as it is given the healing tool, the name is giving healing tool, it can heal the pictures. Now you can see on this picture there are some dots. Okay, on my face here you can see there are some dots. So how we can remove this dot? So to remove this dot we need to pick a particular place which is good one. So first of all I'm going to select the tool. Okay, first we need to select the healing tool and then we can go for it. So here right click and select healing tool, and now come to the screen. You can see one brush is there. That brush size you can make it small and big, but these dots are small, so that's why I have selected brush size small. But if you want to do it big, from here you can select. Okay, right, it's enough. Now this is a good part. Okay, in my on my face this is a good part. So we have to hold alt button is next to space bar in the keyboard. Alter key is next to spacebar in the keyboard. So hold that. Now it will change into another shape. The brush will change into another shape. So we'll do one thing. This side we will take this color only. So click. So that color will be selected. Now go to dots and just click on the dot. It will repatch those dots, means it will repair, that means though which color good area I have selected, that is applied on those dots. Now this area is a little change, so for this we need to change this patch. Select this patch with the alter key and then click on the dots. So we have click on the dots. Now it is repaired. Now the phase is healed, that is as it is how the previously. Okay, so with magical tool we can make changes. Mostly the photographers are doing this. Again you can see there are some dots here, like small dots. This also we can repair. So here I'm going to select this tool again, healing tool. I can select this patch from here, and if I'll click, so this all dotted area also I can remove from there. Okay, so that sharply we can make a changes in the photos. So you can see the difference, how it was previously and now how it is. So we have done it. Okay, so this is the patch tool, healing tool. Now patch tool. For patch tool, we need to decide source and destination. For that, we are going to select one more image. So go and file and open in the file, and I'm going to select this image. Now what I want to do, I just want to remove this deer, and I want this type of covering over there. So what can we do is, first we will go to tool, right click and select patch tool. Right click of mouse, and with the left we can select patch tool. Now select the portion which we wanted to make a patch. Okay, so we can draw a particular area. Okay, and we can replace, just move that, drag and drop, so that area will be covered like that. It will take some time, it will process. Now you can see this area is replaced with this. Now deer is back. So again I'm going to do one more time the same process. So now I'm going to draw again here. Okay, and I'm going to move this to here. It will take some time to process. Now totally that deer is removed, so nobody can understand that there was some picture or there was a deer. It is matched properly, the background matched properly. Okay, but there is one error, these legs are there, so that also we can remove. Take a patch tool and select this patch tool and select this area. Okay, and replace with this. So now again, as I said, nobody can understand that there was a deer. Now you know, that's why we can see. Otherwise, in the beginning, if we will show this image, nobody will understand. Okay, so such way we can edit some unwanted part with the help of patch. I hope so you understood the difference between. Okay, so first we have to select the source, and then we have to go to destination. Now we will go to source. This deer also we just I want to remove. So what I will do now, this part we can remove. Okay, take it and keep how you want that. It will do process and it will do changes. Now see. Okay, so I'm going to do undo. Now next tool is given eraser tool. So eraser tool is quite easy for you all. If you want to erase something, then take eraser tool and you can erase whatever you want. You can erase. Okay, we can erase. Simple use of eraser tool. Now one more interesting tool is given here, that is clone tool. Clone tool, you can make a clone of particular thing. Suppose here is the clone, means duplicate of that things. So this deer clone I want to make. I just want to make one more deer next to him standing in the same position. So what I'll do, I'll go to brush tool. I have selected clone tool, and let me increase some more size so we can make it fast. Okay. Same way, when you want to apply the clone, take the pointer which things you want to make duplicate, that you can go to that portion and press Alt button and click with the mouse. Then take the mouse at the side and just hold the mouse key and just drag it or just move it. So the another deer is made over here. So you can see two deers are standing next to next. I have made clone of this, duplicate of this, dummy image of this, that is called clone. If you want to make one more, so we can select again this and we can create here also. So as many deers you want, that many deers you can create. Okay, so this is the tool. So till now we have learned healing tool, patch tool, clone tool, eraser tool. Now next is blur tool. Okay, blur tool, if we want to use, then here is a blur tool. We can use blur. Nowadays you are using the blur background in the photos, means little faint in colors. So now if we want to make this reindeer little blur, So we can use the blur option and we can just do it on it. Now it is 50% only, so I'll increase some more option. I'll take a brush size little big. Now you can observe this. Two reindeers are very sharp, but the middle one is blur. Okay, I have applied the blur effect on it. So you can see two reindeers are sharp and the middle one is blur effect, means little faint. It's not that much perfect how the left and right side reindeers are. Okay, deer or reindeer, whatever it's done. So now I hope so it's easy for you to understand.